I just made my first, well, I just ran water through it just to clean it. But when I went to stick the thing back in, the sneaker cup mechanism gets caught and you can't easily stick it back under there very good. I mean, it's painted, look at that, it won't see, and then it pops that open. It should be, I don't know if I'm, see, it doesn't want to go, it doesn't want to sit down in there easy. There, but shouldn't be that friggin' difficult. Now it's gonna, I think this is gonna be going back because this is, plus I'm left-handed. If I do it this way, it makes that lid pop open every time. Well, not that time, but. See? Going back.
All right, let me tell you about this coffee pot. There's a lot of features that I really like. So it's still got coffee in it. I just made some afternoon coffee, but it has the automatic shut off when I slide the carafe out, which is really nice. I love that I can see exactly how much I filled. The area where you put the water in being in the front instead of the back, like in many coffee pots, is really nice. The only part that I don't really love is that the door does not stick real well, and it frequently, when I'm putting the carafe in, will pull it open, so you just kind of have to be careful with that. But for the price, it's a really great value.
On a towel. It's already getting scraped up. Okay, go ahead, put it in. Put it in. Why won't it go home? Okay.